thejapanesepage.com, beginning Japanese phrases.
This week's word is,
ギターが弾けますか？
which means, can you play the guitar? Repeat after the speaker.
ギターが弾けますか？ギターが弾けますか？ギターが弾けますか？
The
弾けます。
means can play and is the potential of,
弾く。
which is a verb used for instruments you strum, strike, or pluck, including guitar and piano. Let's hear an example sentence.
ギターが弾けますか？いいえ、弾けません。
Can you play the guitar? No, I can't. Here is the same sentence slowed down. Try to shadow the speaker by repeating a second after the Japanese.
ギターが弾けますか？いいえ、弾けません。ギターが弾けますか？いいえ、弾けません。
And one more time at regular speed.
ギターが弾けますか？いいえ、弾けません。
Do you remember what
ギターが弾けますか？
means? Can you play the guitar? Now, let's break the sentence down.
ギターが
Guitar plus emphasis or object marker.
弾けますか？
Able to play.
いいえ、
No,
弾けません。
not able to play. Here it is two more times. Try to mimic the speaker's sounds and rhythm.
ギターが弾けますか？いいえ、弾けません。ギターが弾けますか？いいえ、弾けません。それじゃあまたね。